Strolling through downtown Jiaoxi, you'll see neon signs everywhere. It's known as a romantic spa town. Did you know that there are over 100 hot spring hotels in Jiaoxi alone? So looking for a place to relax is not going to be a piece of cake.
Hi,
Hello?
Christina.
Hello. It feels so cozy when I came in. I didn't realize such an awesome hotel like this exists in Jiaoxi.
Try to close your eyes and stay still. Feel what
Okay.
it's like in this space. The light and shadow, the wind and the scenery.
Oh, what do you mean?
Look up. A
Okay.
rendering of a grill with large swaths. Yes, there are actually light rays. Whether it's morning or noon, or in the afternoon or evening, it's a very different light and shadow. You can see this area is modeled after the northeast point. The waves are crashing on our shores. In 2017, we won the Red Dot Design Award. That means our entire hotel design is basically an art. You can see it. Look at this one.
Wow. So is this wood?
It's not.
No?
This is what we call giant lantern.
A lantern?
Yes, it's an important design concept in our hotel.
Huh?
It was adopted from the tribe in Yilan, the Kavalan tribe. They use banana leaves to make their clothing or some parts.
So it's not wood?
That's right.
So it won't wither even if it's like this?
Even when the sun is shining, it'll keep peeling off. Then every 6 months, we have to hire a craftsman to do the restoration. The banana leaves need to be dried first. Then it's crushed. And then laminated with rice paper. Then it's dried and humidified again, and then pasted on the wall.
What a process.
That's right. It's the only way to patch it up. The whole wall of lanterns looks like this.
Wow, there are many details. I really feel like I'm not staying in a regular hotel. It's like an art museum.
This is how we use art to showcase this whole hotel.
Wow.
Look forward to your room you're staying.
I already am.
This way, please.
Okay.
Come in.
Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. The toilet and the shower. Whoa. Wow. It's so cool. Isn't the space amazing?
Yes,
It's
it is.
perfect for friends and for families.
This is our family suite. Whether you're with family or friends, it's a great place to be, so you can relax and have a nice trip.
As soon as I came in, I wanted to say, my dad will love it, because my dad loves the hot springs in Jiaoxi.
I'd like to offer you a cup of tea.
Thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Oh, this cup is also very special. It's different from the usual size. It seems to be a little bit bigger.
This is the result of a collaboration between us and a Taiwanese ceramicist. We worked together. He specially made this for us. He created this tea set, so you can see we have this set in every
Oh.
room. All of them have this unique tea set. Yes, so whether it's before or after taking a bath, you can enjoy this soothing tea.
This fan design and the design of the cup, it just makes me feel like it's kind of similar to Oriental aesthetics like the Mandarin Oriental. And then when I got out of the elevator, I also saw it on the wall. Then there's the corridor. You can see a lot of them. Are those artwork?
We do this every 3 months. A resident art teacher in the village will come over and join us to work with us on the resident art program. When he finishes, he will leave a piece of artwork in our museum.
Oh.
That's why we made this hotel into an art gallery or an art museum.
So when you come into this hotel, you can see the artwork, appreciate the artwork, and then you can relax your body and your mind.
Right, especially in every guest room we have, there will always be some artists from Taiwan to do the artwork.
Ooh.
They help us make ceramic art pieces.
I saw it in the lobby.
Can you tell what kind of pattern it is?
It looks like a flower. I think it looks like petals.
It's the flower of Yilan County,
Oh.
butterfly orchid. The potter made it into butterfly orchid. The petals are fluttering. It looks like a butterfly fluttering. You can feel it
Okay.
inside each of our rooms. There's a separate pool in each room.
What? Besides the fact that each room has its own private bath, the hotel's unique tatami mat rooms will make you feel you've been transported to Japan to experience the unique vibe. It feels really special to be here because when you come in from the lobby and the rooms are like art display. But of course, the most special thing is that there's actually an artist here to guide us in making this DIY mandala. And what's interesting is the artist is actually a well-known ophthalmologist in Taipei. Is that so?
Yes.
So why did you think of making this mandala?
In the beginning, I was learning to do jingzuo. When meditating, a pattern would appear in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
Then, using that pattern with beads and glue, I'm able to express it.
It has a kind of healing effect. It's an activity that's good for mental health.
It's a very basic approach. Then later you'll realize nature is full of mandalas. It's why the Buddha said to smile at the flowers. Yes, that's what he realized, that you can look at a flower that way. Yes, in this way you can expand all your artistic creations. Actually, if you look closely, there are a lot of details here. From a simple geometric flower to a living object to nature, mandalas are everywhere.
You can take it home with you.
I guess when we've finished what the hotel prepared for us. In fact, it can be regarded as a good memory of our trip.
Yes, it's also like we can turn ourselves into becoming a little artist.
Yes, you can try it. Maybe it's a good
Yes.
place to start.
Yes. With the presence of artists, the hotel showcases gallery-like spaces and offers various DIY craft courses. This adds a unique touch to the trip, creating a romantic experience. I'm here now. This place looks like Jiaoxi's very own Marina Bay Sands. What made me say that? Where I'm at right now, this is infinity pool. See the view behind me? That's the Turtle Island. You know what's interesting is in Yilan, you can see Turtle Island from every angle and it gives off a different feeling. And there's the sea next to it. There are mountains here. Next to it are the mountain ranges, and all seems really close to this hotel. You can swim and have a soak here. It's really relaxing. It makes me want to stay here all day.
I'll help you with this. It's tomato sukiyaki.
Ooh.
Then we use clay pots. Well, ceramic pots are better at keeping the heat in.
Okay, I go to a lot of hotels. They all do more of a buffet style. So why make sukiyaki here? This is rather special.
Actually, in terms of the placement of a restaurant, the Mihan Jiaoxi was originally known for making sukiyaki. Shabu shabu. In Jiaoxi, the specialty is sukiyaki and lobster hot pot. We are a well-known brand of high-end hot pot.
Whoa, the whole aroma comes out.
With the tomato sukiyaki, its main idea is we use the produce from 12 townships in Yilan, the local ingredients, to make this combination. The main purpose is to convey a sustainable and low-carbon concept.
These are local ingredients from Jiaoxi. Wow, so everything is local? So is the meat next to it?
Is particularly special. We use gavilan pork.
It's also local?
That's right. Our chef went to great lengths to find the parts for the ingredients.
Smells ravishing. I can't wait. I want to eat it immediately. What's this? Whoa!
This is another one of our products. It's called Lobster Sea and Land Hot Pot.
Is this also something unique to Yilan?
What's special about this one is mainly because our chef likes to use food as ideas. So everything in it is very fresh. It didn't go through special processing.
Wow! Look at the seafood. It's heavy. So much seafood. So here too, you can enjoy this Japanese sukiyaki and hot pot. There are two options, but today, because I'm the princess here, I can have both. Time for me to enjoy all these. The seemingly simple cooking method highlights the natural sweetness of the ingredients, whether using local produce or carefully selected meats and seafood. It satisfies the taste buds of gourmet. It's a feast for the eyes and the palate, a true gourmet experience. Whoa, is this dragon boating? Hello! Go, go, go! Woo! Whoa, you're all in great shape.
We want to test the boat.
Are you here for the Dragon Boat Festival? Like training for the festival?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Can I come along and try it out?
Sure. We need a lot of strength for this. Can you do it?
Was that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa!
Be careful. Here you go. Safety
Uh-huh.
first. Put this on.
Thank you.
No problem.
I wanted to ask, is there anything I need to watch out for?
Just sit tight and don't move too much.
I'll try not to.
Then, once we're out there, listen to the sound of the gong. Every time it hits, we row.
Okay, like this?
Here, let me teach you first.
Uh-huh.
Okay, row. That's
Row.
right. Strike once, two more, one more time. That's great. You're doing good.
Okay.
Nice. Pretty
Like this?
simple. Okay, then let's give it a try.
Like this?
Yes. Go forward, then it will turn around. Okay, here we go. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Is this the same as the usual dragon boat?
It's different.
Different?
Yes. Because the shape of the boat is different, so it's not the same.
That's right.
With Dragon Boat, in front of it there's always a dragon's head, but we don't have one.
It turns out that this activity, known as the Race of the Dragons, has over 200 years of history. It was originally used to drive away ghosts and evil spirits, transcending the souls of the deceased in the water. Today, it's recognized by the Yilan County government as an important cultural asset and has become the highlight of Erlong village during the Dragon Boat Festival.
Pay attention, everyone. Let's go. Go for it. Woohoo! Woohoo! That was awesome.
This boat I'm on now is used just for tourists to experience it. It's not the same as the official race boat. And I heard that during the race, you can see black and white eyes painted on both sides of the boat. They're not just vivid, the chilling patterns on the bow and hull added to the beauty, making the whole scene incredibly captivating.
Look closely. Are they both using their gongs? Yes, they are. Both sides are using their gongs. Get ready to go for the flag. What a thrill.
Because of its unique history, the race is not about winning or losing. It's about the Tai Chi pattern on the oars to get rid of evil spirits and pray for peace. So do you want to know more about the story of the Erlong boat race? Remember this next time you cheer for the athletes. Don't forget to remember our ancestors and their struggles in this land. Today's race not only focuses on keeping everyone safe in Erlong village, but it also features Taiwan Gong, where kids can have a great time. There are plenty of facilities, including 107 beautiful paintings and 3D painted fence, making it a very inviting place. We welcome you to Erlong village. Come and experience our unique rural atmosphere. With local ingenuity, we've brought culture to life, transforming parks into the perfect places for relaxation. And guess what? In Erlong village, there's an incredibly beautiful painted wall that showcases Jiaoxi's unique landscape. It adds a fun twist for tourists visiting the area, enhancing their experience in Jiaoxi.